Hiccups. Kipper was having fun with Lee. Can you see they are playing a game? Mommy is standing inside the house and is happy seeing the children play. The dog wants to catch the disc as well. What do you think will happen next? Let's see. After playing, they're thirsty. They drink quickly. What do? We say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We sit and drink, and we drink slowly. Oh ho! Hic, said Kipper. He had hiccups. Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee. But Kipper is still having hiccups. Hic, hic. Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Lee. What do you think, Qasim and Sarah? Hic, said Kipper. Hic. Oh, oh. I don't think drinking water in a cup finished Kipper's hiccups. Drink it like this, said Biff. Can you drink water like that, Dr. Sarah? That get rid of them, said Biff. Hic, hic, said Kipper. I don't think his hiccups are going away. In fact, he couldn't even drink water. Look, the water spilled on the floor. Try hopping and patting your thumb, said Chip. Look like at that. You have to hop and pat your thumb. Can you do that, Dr. Sarah? Has that got rid of them? Said Chip. Hic, said Kipper. Hic, said Kipper. Can you see their neighbor? A shock will get rid of it, said Biff. Hic, 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 says Kipper. Shh, said Biff. Then, boo! Oh, look at that. That was a big shock for Kipper. What happens next? It's not just a big shock for Kipper, but it is for their neighbor as well. You did it! You did it! Said Kipper. You got rid of my hiccups. We say Alhamdulillah, but did the hiccups get finished? No. Grandpa Chen says hic, hic, hic. Oh, oh. So Qasim and Sarah, will you get rid of your friend's hiccups?